In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dropshipping website with WordPress. This guide is perfect for beginners who are looking to set up their first dropshipping business quickly and effectively. So, let's dive right in and get started on building your online store. First things first, head over to wordpress.com. This is where your journey begins. WordPress is a powerful tool for creating your dropshipping website due to its user-friendly interface and extensive customization options. Once you're on the WordPress homepage, the next step is to log in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. But assuming you're already set up, go ahead and click on the Login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page, providing easy access to your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. The dashboard is your central hub, where you can manage your website's layout, content, and plugins. To enhance your website's functionality, you'll need some plugins. So, look for the Plugins section on the sidebar and click on it. Plugins essentially extend the functionality of your WordPress site, allowing you to do more with your dropshipping business. Next, you'll want to add a new plugin. To do this, locate and click on the Add Plugin button. The Add Plugin interface is straightforward to navigate and allows you to search for the specific tools you need. For dropshipping, one of the most important plugins is WooCommerce. WooCommerce transforms your WordPress website into a fully functioning e-commerce store, making it a crucial part of your setup. In the search bar, type in WooCommerce and hit Enter. The search results will show you the plugin in no time. Once you find WooCommerce, click on the Install button and then activate it immediately. Installing WooCommerce is a pivotal step, as it gives you access to a plethora of features tailored specifically for online stores. With WooCommerce active, your site is now ready to add products, manage orders, and handle payments, all essential components of a dropshipping business. And just like that, you're on your way to having a fully functioning dropshipping website. From here, you can start customizing WooCommerce settings, adding your products, and configuring payment gateways to suit your business needs. Remember, creating a successful dropshipping business requires ongoing effort and attention, so continue to explore the various tools and features WordPress and WooCommerce offer. That's it for today's quick guide on setting up a dropshipping website using WordPress. We hope this walkthrough has given you the confidence to start your own online store. Keep experimenting with different features, and before you know it, you'll have a thriving dropshipping business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.